Alright y'all, welcome back to another episode of Stock Lock Sunday. This time around we got a Paclock. It's a 90A. And this one was sent to us from, here it is right here, beautiful Paclock. This is the, I guess it's about 1.5 inches. It's the, I guess the smaller brother of the ones that I just got recently. Beautiful lock altogether. This one comes to us though from Lockpicking Gal. If you're not familiar with her, Lockpicking Gal sent this one in, and I got a note with it. It says, "Big Al, thank you so much for the wonderful package that you sent me. That challenge lock is still kicking my butt, but I haven't give up yet." So this is a gift to you. Do as you please. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this with the Locks Without Borders collection, since this will be one from Lockpicking Gal, the first one from Lockpicking Gal that'll go with the collection. And I'm going to tack a little short clip on the end of this video showing the collection and where this lock is going to be going. Okay, its new home. So now, without further ado, there's the bidding on the key. And I got to tell you, I tried picking this one. I did pick it a couple times, but it's pretty tricky. I'm not sure if it's because maybe there's a short pin in there. It kind of gets hung up sometimes. And I'm not sure why. It is a new lock, and it's a stock lock. You know, there's nothing wrong with it. Actually, it was still in the box when I got it. But I'm making excuses. Yeah, see, there it goes. Every once in a while, it just gets stuck, and it actually does the same thing when you're picking it. One of the pins just gets jammed up in there. So that's my excuse, and I'm sticking to it. So let me get down here a little bit. I don't know if we need to come in maybe just a tad. Maybe not a good idea. Okay, so I'm going to go with the top of the keyway as always. The bent tension wrench, just like so. But yeah, if you give it, you definitely can't do too much tension because the pins will not move. They just bind up. There's especially one in there just will not move. So you got to go easy on it. So, am I centered? Good enough. All right, so let's see if we can't get it open. I'm going all the way in the back. Yeah, see, they already won't move. See, the pins they won't move. I'm not sure why that is. Oh, there one goes. All right. Yeah, see, they get stuck. I'm not sure why that is. I've picked many of these locks. It's very much, it's like picking a Mako or a American lock. They're all pretty much the same idea. Boom. There we go. Alright. Once you get past that stuck pin, bada boom, bada bing. Alright, so, wow. Allen screw down the hole. Alright. Let me bring the camera down some. Get a pin and tray downhill. Allen, let me see. I've been working on my disc detainer tool, so I have my Allen wrenches already out. Boom, there's one. Yeah, that disc detainer tool I just mentioned, I've been working on, I want to mention something real quick. Let me get the screw out of here. There we go. Alright, we don't need that, we don't need that, and we don't need that. That's what we do need. Alright, and I don't see an anti-bypass, but I don't think you need them on this type. I think the lobe has to be going the same way as the keyway for those tools to work, so no problem there. Got a little clip on the back. Yeah, that disc detainer tool I've been mentioning, was talking about. I finally got this one working pretty darn good. I can pick this kryptonite lock now almost every time. I'm going to practice a few more times on it before I do it on camera. I want to give a shout out real quick to Bobby Keys. These tips right here are absolute junk when you buy these picks. Bobby Keys turned me on to a place online. Now I'm going to forget the name of it. But these rods right here, they're plastic injection ejector pins. This is solid. This is a one-piece unit. So you just cut the length you need down, and then you can cut this tip down to the tip size you need. And being it's one piece, it's not welded, soldered, nothing. It's one piece, so they're really strong. So thank you, Bobby Keys, for turning me on to those. It works out phenomenal. Phenomenal. Real good. All right, back to the lock at hand here. We do got a key, so I'm going to lock it back up so I don't screw things up. And see if this fits. Bam. Nice. Okay. Alrighty, get the key. And we got a shim in there for the heck of it. Let's see, how about this one? Yeah, buddy. Alright. Little follower. And I am very happy to say that it's all 6 pins in that bad boy. Beautiful. And it looks like one is a little bit of an overset trap. And 4 barely needed any picking, but it did need picking. Maybe that's where I was getting hung up at. I'm not positive. Alright, let's lay some pins out here so we can make sure they're all in there, just for GP. And I got to mention something else also, y'all. I hope this doesn't rub anybody wrong, but I know almost everybody else is already doing it, or already does it. I will continue to, as long as I can afford it and whatnot, to do lock swaps with anybody in Locksport, no matter where you are. But I think as far as giveaways go, I'm going to have to keep it U.S. residents because of shipping, mainly because of shipping. Because let's face it, if I wanted to give away something, let's say I just wanted to give away some of these Paclocks, I can do that all day long anywhere in the U.S. for less than $10. Send it outside the U.S., it's like 5 times as much. So like I said, I will always, as long as I can, I will do lock swaps with anybody, anywhere. And I've sent packages to, you all know, anywhere. But as far as giveaways go, I think I'm going to have to do it U.S. residents. I hope that doesn't rub anybody wrong. I hope you understand. And not many other people do it right now anyway, so. Alright, let me see. I know which one's the front, but I'm going to mark it anyways, just so I don't screw things up. Get these laid out. Nice spool in 2. Number 1 was a serrated. Spool in 3. Or actually, I think that might be serrated. I don't have my specs on. Four looks like a spool. Five looks serrated. And last but not least, whoops. Alright, let me get some specs on so I can see these better. Yeah, we've got, I like their serrated pins. At least they're well serrated. They're not like them cheap Chinesian junk. Alright, let me get the table around here. We could take a close-up on these bad boys. Alright, so there it is. Key pins, we got a serrated in 1, standard in 2, 3, serrated in 4 and 5, standard in 6, and then drivers we got a serrated in 1, 3, and 5, and a spool in 2, 4, and then a standard in 6. Yep, looks like a standard pin in 6. So again, Lockpicking Gal, thank you so much for sending that in. I highly appreciate it, and you're very welcome for the package I sent you. It's not the first, or it is the first, but it won't be the last. Thank you all so much for tuning in. As always, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you comment, I will get back to you. Thank you all so much for watching. Big Al signing out, and I will paste a short clip at the end of this video, so check it out, please. All right, that'll do it.